Hello and welcome to AnyVidOverlay. This is Mike. I'm going to go and show you guys how to use our platform. So the goal of AnyVidOverlay is to allow you to add overlay on top of any other videos, meaning you can add your promotions, your banners, your images on top of any other video. Let me explain. Let me show you a demo first before I begin. So I'm going to go and click on preview here. Now, as you can see, I'm going to go and click play. Now, this ad being played is an ad that I added. This is a banner that I added. I can add a call to action button here. I can also, if I click on, goes to Google. If I click on here, it also goes to Google because that's what I wanted, right? I can also enable something called skip button here. Skip. Now, this is the YouTube video. Even when people are watching other people's YouTube video, they can see your advertisement here, okay? That's the whole purpose. Now, you'll be able to embed this video on your site by copying and pasting this, or simply by sharing this link right here, okay? Now, you also have ability of using a landing page here as well. Now, so I'm gonna go and show you guys all the tools here now, but keep in mind that you might not have access to certain tool like landing page builder or leads because you might not have purchased the upsell, so, or the extra upgrade. So in that case, please contact the person that you bought this product from. So let's begin. So this is a dashboard that you log into. Pretty easy. Now, so to add a new video, it's very simple. You're going to click on new video and you'll see all of these options. Let's go back here. I'm going to go ahead and actually edit one of my videos here to show you all the options for the sake of demo. So first of all, now the name, okay? The name is whatever you want. It does not really matter. So it is for your own preference. It is not shown to anybody, okay? The second thing is the video URL. This is the video that you can put here. So this could be an MP4 file, a Vimeo, or a YouTube too. So let's go and find a YouTube video. Go to YouTube and maybe search up marketing. I don't know, it's random stuff. I'm gonna just find this video. I'm gonna go and copy the link. I'm gonna go and put the link here, okay? Now, ad status, if this is inactive, the system will not work, okay? So make sure it's active. You can add two types of advertisement, okay? An image, pretty cool. You can add an image before the video plays, or you can actually add a video, okay? So if you're doing an image, click on image, upload an image, very simple, okay? Let's do on video. So if you're doing a video, you click video, you will need an MP4 file, okay? This is a file that I found on Google. Just put your advertisement video MP4 file here, okay? Force to click to play. This is going to go ahead and add this little button here, okay? I like it. And on the top, one more thing, guys. So this looks black here because the beginning of this video is actually black. That's why. It's not because there's any problem. Just keep in mind, okay? So let's go back here. So an add timer, this is the timer that's here. You can skip it from here as well. Okay, like this, if you wanted to. Now let's scroll down. So this is the URL that goes to when people click on the banner or the actual advertisement. A skip button, do you want to add it? If I put no, this will not add the skip button that you saw earlier here like this, okay? Now, if you want to enable a banner, you can enable a banner. So this is the banner right here. You can put an image, a header, text, and this is your call to action with a link, and all of that can be found here. This text, link, call to action. Now, if you also want to collect leads, you can do lead collect, okay? And then in that case, you'll select one of the list, which you can access from here. Let's go here. You can create a list here. It's like segmentation. So create a new list, and you might want to call it vid number 1, okay? It's up to you. Let's go back to videos. Let's go and click edit. Let's drop down here. Let's go and click on lead collect. I can select this, right? So, and I can put a headline, enter your email, but blah, blah, blah. Save a video, okay? If I go back here, what's going to happen? What's going to happen is, as you can see, there's actually this, Dan at dan.com, okay? Click on subscribe. Boom, you have subscribed. Now, you can also go to leads here, okay? And then as you can see, vid1 already has a lead right here that I just opted into. Now, you can always export it out, okay? Let's go back to videos. Let's go and click on edit one more time. And yes, that's pretty much it. Very simple. Now, if you do have the upgrade for landing page builder, you'll click on landing. Now, this will allow you to build landing pages like this. Okay, very amazing. Okay, so what this does is you can come here. Okay, you can go ahead and change the title. This is the title on the top. Okay, this is the subtitle. Okay, you can go ahead and click on save. There we go. Okay, you can also go ahead and add, like, what's inside, things like that. You can change. You don't need to worry about the style if you don't want to. You can click here and change the color, background image, button link. This right here, you can change all of these things directly from here. You can also go ahead and add testimonials at the bottom. This is going to go ahead and help you get convert. So the idea is, hey, you can just share this link so that people can watch this video. They will see your advertisement. You also have a call to action here, 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 here. So this is an amazing system here, as you can see. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, now you have sub accounts. Sub accounts is only for reseller and agency customers. So you'll be able to come up here and you can go ahead and create accounts under you if you are an agency or a reseller account holder. And that's pretty much it. But here's the thing, go ahead and play with the system. You're not gonna break it. Do whatever you need to do. Now, last but not least, whenever you want to go ahead and insert a video on your website, go ahead and click on this, copy this code. You can paste this code on WordPress, ClickFunnels, Instapage, whatever you want, it will work. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for your purchase. Again, have a nice day.